Right, now you have your two characters and one setting. So we can start the stop motion animation by probably, if you would like to make it smaller, you can adjust the size if you want, or leave it as it is. This is fine with me. So I am going to set up the characters to its initial position. So slightly uh, hiding from the background here. So if you click on the slideshow, it actually looks like this. So they're just uh, coming out slowly like that. So let me just adjust that, and this one here. All right, that's fine. Okay, so this is the first slide or first frame. What I will do is to duplicate the first slide. How do I duplicate? Is I just go to edit and then click duplicate. All right, so I'm now on the second slide. What I will do is just slightly move it just with a small movement like that. Okay, duplicate the second slide and move it a little bit. Make sure that your movement is not too big each time, and then click on the third slide, edit and duplicate. Do the same thing, small movement